Naniniwala ka ba or do you believe in 7 years age theory? Narinig mo na ba ang term na 7-year itch? May mga nagsasabi, sabi ng aktor, may nagsasabi na around the 7th year of a marriage or a long-term relationship, nagsisimulang mag-fade ang romantic feelings ng mag-partner. Maaring nagiging mas critical daw ang magkarelasyon sa isa't isa. Bumababa ang satisfaction nila at napapaisip or napapatanong, is this really the person I want to spend the rest of my life with? Ako, naniniwala ko darating at darating ang time na mapapagod at mananawa ka, but it's always a matter of choice. Minahal mo lang ba siya kasi nasatisfied kanya o minahal mo siya dahil mahal mo siya? Nasa tao ang desisyon whether that person wants to stay or not, even if the sparks and all the kiligs are gone. Minahal mo lang ba siya dahil kinikilig ka o minahal mo siya kasi gusto mo talagang mahalin siya? And the world now, full of minahal kita kaso ganito ka. May we all find that minahal kita dahil gusto kong mahalin ka. No other reasons. Because at the end of the day, the right one will always stay. That is what's supposed to be. Cause true love always stay. At naniniwala ko na malalampasan namin yan ni Bel Mariano ng magkasama.